Hi everybody, this is Arujodi, working as assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science, Fatima College. Today we are going to discuss a topic in computer graphics, that is nothing but its applications. First, before starting with its applications, we have to discuss what is computer graphics. Computer graphics deals with creation, manipulation and storage of different types of images and objects. Some of the applications of computer graphics are computer-aided design, presentation graphics, computer art, entertainment, education and training, image processing, and graphical user interface. First, we are going to discuss what is computer-aided design, that is in short form CAD. It is used in buildings, automobiles, aircraft, watercraft, spacecraft, etc. Computer graphics is a tool for generating the architect's drawing and visualizing structures. It is used to take the data about building and makes various images of the building from different angles. Animations is also used in CAD applications. Real-time animations using wireframe displays on a video monitor are useful for testing performance of vehicles and also to see the interior of the vehicle and to watch the behavior of the inner components during motion. For example, in a car company, they are going to release a new product in the market. Before releasing in the market, they have to check whether the particular car is working in a good condition. For that, we can use CAD. We can apply the particular car in the monitor with the real-time animations and we can check the interior parts of the vehicle. If it runs smoothly, then we can bring it to the market. Otherwise, we can change before releasing the product to the market. Next, we are going to discuss about presentation graphics. Presentation graphics is used to summarize financial, statistical, mathematical, scientific and economic reports. We can use in these reports bar charts, line graphs, surface graphs, pie charts, etc. We can also use time charts to schedule and monitor the progress of projects. For example, to compare two products in a particular company or similar products of two companies, we can use presentation graphics. Next one is computer art. The computer art consists of two types. They are fine art and commercial art. Fine art is nothing but the arts used by artists. They are not for financial or commercial purpose. They draw diagrams and use for their own purpose. They use some object shapes and specifying object motions to create the particular arts. These methods are also applied in commercial art for logos and other designs, page layouts, combining text, etc. The common graphics method employed in many commercials is morphing, that you have seen in Nijab Park ad. In that, the human images, that is faces, are changed frequently with the help of morphing. Next one is entertainment. Entertainment is nothing but we use graphics tools or features to entertain our human beings. For example, in TV, serials, movies and advertisements, etc. Many TV series regularly employ computer graphics methods. Music, audios also use graphics in several ways. We can combine with live actions or graphics and image processing techniques. For example, in cartoons, we use not a real image. They are all artificial or drawn images that are fed into the computer to entertain us. For example, Tom and Jerry. In Tom and Jerry, both the images are not real one. They are artificial one or they are made as real and they are combined with the live actions. Next one is we can combine real images with artificial images. For example, in the film Jurassic Park, we have an artificial image that is dinosaur and real human beings. Both are clubbed together to form or to entertain us with animation concepts. Next one is education and training. In education and training, we can use also graphics for students in various applications. For example, computer-generated models like physical systems, financial systems, and economic systems are used as education aids. Models of physical system, physiological system, population trends, or equipment can help trainees to understand the operation of the system. Examples of some specialized systems or the simulators for practice sessions or training of ship captains, aircraft pilots, etc. Various educational pictures with animations are used to present better understanding for learning with animations. For example, for a science students, it is difficult to understand the processing in the heart pumping. So to explain it, without orally explaining, we can explain it visually with the help of computer graphics by making the flow of blood visible to the students with the help of videos. Next, an example is simulator. In air simulators, we use simulators instead of direct flight to train the pilots with a virtual environment with the help of several graphical devices such as data gloves and then glass, and they wear and they travel in the aircraft simulator with a virtual screen in front of them. In the front, they will view the clouds, etc. They feel as if they are driving the flight really, but it is not true. They are virtually only driving, and after training in that particular simulators, they are allowed to drive flight. Next one is image processing. Graphics can also be applied in image processing techniques to modify or interpret existing pictures such as photographs and TV scans. Two principal applications are improving picture quality and machine perception of visual information used in robotics. Medical applications also make extensive use of image processing techniques. That is, tomography is a technique of X-ray photography that allows cross-sectional views of physiological system to be displayed. Computerized axial tomography is also used to compose a 3D model of the brain by taking the X-ray of it, which can be used to detect problems like brain tumor, etc. And ultrasonic are used to generate digital data. Today, we are performing computer-aided surgery also. With the help of computers, we are performing surgery. For example, in the previous days, if we get fracture, we will take an X-ray photography of it. The doctor will see through the X-ray photography and he will diagnose the part where it is fractured, and he will treat us. If he doesn't look through the X-ray carefully, then our treatment will be mistaken. So today we are having computer aided surgery. That is, our fractured part will be treated with the help of a computer, and the doctor will be viewing lively in the computer our fractured parts and will treat properly. So resurgery is not needed. Next one is graphical user interface. A major component of a graphical interface is a window manager that allows a user to display multiple window area. Each window can now contain a different process that can contain graphical or non-graphical displays. An icon and menus are present in our GUI interface. That is, an icon is a graphical symbol that is designed to look like the processing option it represents, and menus contain lists of textual descriptions and icons. Conclusion: the challenge to computer graphics is to make the virtual world look real, sound real, move and respond to interaction in real time, and even feels real. Thank you. For queries, please contact through my email.